You are not the father.
But the kid is not my son. Woo!
Yep, you are not the father because you're the mother. Matt, wait.
Tô melhor.
You guys want me to say ara ara?
Yes.
You guys want me to say ara ara?
Did I stutter?
Ara ara?
I'm gonna show you what to do if someone grabs you. Step 1, kick his knee. Step 2, grab your hand and pull. Oh!